Former Ghost Ship Warehouse master tenant Derick Almena may be ordered to pay millions in restitution. Derick Almena was back in court today facing a judge, and KTVU's Jarosz is here with what happened and how Almena responded outside the courthouse. Brooks.
Simply put, Andre, Almena says that he will try to pay back whatever he can to the victims' families, but he doesn't have much money. Still, the judge could order him to pay $10 million or more in restitution. Now, all of this was debated inside the Alameda County Courthouse today. Prosecutors originally requested more than $11 million for the victims' families and for legal fees, but Almena's lawyers say restitution shouldn't exceed $1.5 million. And they say Almena is poor and can't afford the millions of dollars. Now, this follows Almena's guilty plea and sentencing to 36 counts of involuntary manslaughter for the 36 people who died during a party and fire at the warehouse in December 2016. As part of that deal, he was ordered to pay for funeral expenses and counseling. Almena spoke with us after the restitution hearing about making the victims' families whole.
I'm not PG&E, I'm not the city, and I'm just me right now, and I'm going to do everything I can for the rest of my life to pay back what I can, and I'm incredibly sorry for what happened, and I'll live my life with this.
Almena's plea deal also called for him to serve 12 years in prison, but the judge agreed to allow Almena to serve 1.5 years in home detention with an ankle monitor based on good behavior and time already served. Now, families and lawyers will have a couple of months to put forth any other paperwork or requests for restitution. Then she will make a final ruling in late July.
Brooks, we've reported in the past that Almena's family is not really financially well off. He's going to struggle to pay this restitution. Why did they make this demand so high, this money amount so high?
Well, some of that cost is for lawyers' fees, more than $5 million of civil attorneys. So the judge was a little bit talking with both sides today, saying, hey, I don't know how much the defendant is actually allowed legally to pay of this. But secondly, there's more than $4 million that the families are requesting. And in talking with some of them, they want to send a message. They didn't feel as though Almena was remorseful following the sentencing. And so this is their way of saying, this is your punishment. You will have to pay us for the rest of your life.
Yeah,
we'll just have to wait and see, Andre, and see what the judge decides.
Yeah, we heard from many of those families after he initially received that punishment. Jarosz, thanks for following that for us. We'll check in with you when the next development happens. Thank you.